Getting Tailwind CSS suggestions in Visual Studio Code can enhance your development experience by making it easier to write utility classes. Here's how to set it up. Install the Tailwind CSS IntelliSense extension. The first step is to install the official Tailwind CSS IntelliSense extension in VS Code. This extension provides auto-completion, linting, and suggestions for Tailwind classes. Open VS Code. Go to the Extensions panel by clicking the Extensions icon on the left or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. In the search bar, type Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. Click Install on the Tailwind CSS IntelliSense extension by breadcorns. Enable auto-completion. Once installed, the extension will automatically provide suggestions for Tailwind CSS classes value type. When editing an HTML, JSX or other relevant files, start typing a Tailwind class name and the IntelliSense drop-down will show matching class names. Customize the configuration. If you need to customize the behavior, create a tailwind.config.js file in your project's root directory. You can extend Tailwind's configuration to add custom classes, colors, and themes. The extension will read this configuration for more intelligent suggestions.